Hello guys, we are at Zagreb bus station heading for Ljubljana, 12:15. It's 11 o'clock now, so plenty of time. So let's take a little round here. You have departures here, arrival and departures. With platforms as well, perfect. Kiosk, tickets, souvenirs. This is a great bus station. Brilliant. Lots of ATMs, cafes. Fast food shop. Looks delicious. Another kiosk. Waiting room way out on platforms. Toilet, even a sexy shop. What do we have in here? Is that pharmacy or something? No. Jewelries. Excellent. And it was raining, heavy raining, when I left the apartment, and I couldn't call a taxi because I have no coverage for SIM card, and to download Uber or another taxi app I need to receive a code, which I cannot because I have no SIM card. But I just walked on and then stopped a taxi on the street. So that was easy. Looks good. Cafe down here as well. This is a very good bus station. Very well done, Croatia. Very well done. Let's go down under, have a look. Or maybe I should just go to the waiting room and then to a platform from there so you can see the way. Here we have information I showed you before. So let's go this way. Have to buy a drink as well. Very nice and clean here. Excellent. Plenty of platforms here. I can see 610. Must be a busy bus station. My platform had, oh, I already forgot it, 200 something. But they will come on the information screen. So we can go down under and I will show you bus station from outside. Very nice and clean place, I must say. Where's the elevator? No, it's not this way. Is there a staircase down here? No. Okay, then we go back to basics. Exit to the platforms. Oh, that's yeah. Only escalator upwards. We go down here to have a look. These are the taxis, and I will recommend you to download an app. That's advice I got from a taxi driver, and I'm not lying. We go this way. This is where you get dropped off if you come by taxi, and then just go this way into elevator. Easy peasy Japanesey. Right here. Yeah, we are down at platform 201 waiting for the bus. 15 minutes from now it's takeoff according to the plan, so yeah. I like this bus station. Welcome to the bus. Flixbus, Zagreb, Ljubljana, Munich. It's not bad. It's not bad at all. We are at the bowler station. That was quick. see how this works, if we have to go out and show passport, or they come in, or we have to show any at all, or how it's gonna end. That was quick and smooth. Excellent. Used to be the other way around. Well, that's why he did it. We have to take an exit here. Might make a pit stop here. I could use a cold drink. We are getting closer and closer to Denmark and the Danish price level. One sandwich, one soda, 10 euro, 9 euro and 30 cents. Wow. The more north we are getting, the higher the prices is. This is almost Danish prices. A sandwich and a soda, 9 euros and 30 cents. Amazing. Nice little pit stop on a half an hour here. Good cafe. Good cafe, but very bad weather. Welcome to Europe. Bloody hell. I don't know if camera can catch this castle up there, but my first thought was this looks like old Gestapo headquarters. Yeah, very nice pit stop. Nice little hilltop there. Yeah, we are approaching Ljubljana. Welcome to Slovenia, my country number 47. Soon I'm halfway. And I can see on the weather my plan is to find my little handy raincoat and take on and then walk 600 meters to apartment and then just relax until tomorrow morning and then heading for the airport. click left, and then we are at the destination. That's it. Welcome to Ljubljana bus station. Awesome.
Ljubljana, busstation Ljubljana.